Let's assemble this Fiber Artist Supply Company Tabletop Yarn Swift and wind some yarn. Use the 5mm and the 4mm hex wrenches to loosen the cap nut that holds the arms together. Lock the dados on the two arms together and install the arms back onto the Swift base with the holes facing up. Retighten the cap nut and the shoulder bolt with the 5mm and 4mm hex wrenches. Install the pegs in your desired position. This skein is approximately 2 yards circumference, so I'm going to start with the pegs at the outermost position and then move a few in to loosen it up at the end. This design uses ball bearings, which are nice because they allow the arms to spin really freely, and you don't have the problem of the Swift walking across the table as you do with some looser fit tabletop Swifts. We're going to install the yarn on the Swift, and be sure to watch our ball winder video to show how it's wound into a center pull ball.